Check o cameras. Un eiliad. Bach nôl. Just check o... Yeah, bydd yn okay, fi'n credu. All right. Okay. Credu ni'n iawn. Facebook ddim yn edrych yn rhy dda. Falle na I trio wneud e ar hwn. Finish. Live video. Sa'n trust hwnna. Finish. Delete. Hello pawb. Go live. Falle hwnna'n welliad. Slow start of the day. Gobeithio pawb yn iawn. So, croeso I sesiwn Ffit Yn 5. Bore yma, ni'n mynd I wneud sesiwn ar Cadair, okay? Morning to everyone, to this morning's Ffit Yn 5 session. Today we're going to be doing it in a chair. Falle chi'n gallu weld, fi'n gwisgo top newydd heddi. Chwaraeon Anabledd Cymru, Disability Sport Wales top, okay? Fel chi'n gwybod, trwy Ceredigion Active, ni'n trio wneud popeth yn cynhwysol, okay? We try and do everything inclusively. So today we're going to do a little inclusive session. So falle chi'n gwybod rhywun sy'n defnyddio Cadair olwen. Maybe you know someone that uses a wheelchair. Neu falle chi'n nabod rhywun sy'n wedi torri coes. Maybe someone's broken their leg. Ni'n just meddwl nawr, ni'n gallu wneud sesiwn eistedd lawr. We can do a session sitting down Ffit Yn 5. Okay? Na esbonio be ni'n mynd I wneud. I'll explain what we're going to do. 5 peth wahanol. Eto, we're going to do 5 different exercises. Yr un cyntaf, round y cefn. So, fel ar y social media posts, ni'n gweud, if you've got a soft ball, mae un bach, wel, pêl-drod yw, un bach, a mae da fi pêl tennis, okay? So, yr un cyntaf, ni'n just mynd I mynd tu ôl y cefn. We're going to go behind the back, un ffordd, okay? So, ni'n agor lan y corff, a ni'n gweithio ar bach o, well, ddim cyn pwysau, we're not working on our balance, we're bach o coordination. A wedyn, ail hanner I mynd y ffordd arall, okay? So, hwnna'r sesiwn neu gweithgaredd 1. Yr ail un, ni'n gwneud y pwnsio awyr. So, ni'n mynd I gweithio galed, mynd lan, a wedyn, yr ail segment, ni'n mynd mas I pwnsio awyr. Mae'n anodd I weld, ond we just pwnsio mas gyda brechau ni, okay? Trydydd, ni'n bounce o pêl. Dibynnu on how much of a bounce your ball has, okay? Maybe you've got a really super bouncy ball, a mae fe'n mynd reit lan. Neu falle ti angen troi bach mwy o pŵer mewn, okay? We're going to see how it goes. So, pêl bach yn soft. So, we go for slam of it bach mwy. One hand, you can catch with 2. Lan I chi, a wedyn falle second half. A defnyddio fel na. Okay, that's the third one. Pedwerydd, sit and reach. Okay, eistedd a cyrraedd. I'm just going to try and reach to the side. Defnyddio core ni. Okay, we're going to use our core muscles. Nes I wneud hwn ddoe. I did this yesterday, so fi'n struglo. If you can get to the floor, fantastic. Os ti ddim yn gallu, mae hwnna'n iawn hefyd. Just go as far as you can, controlled. Don't go super fast, okay, in case you pull something. Nice and slow. Cael practice gyda fi nawr, have a little practice. A lawr, okay. And the 5th one, okay, gweithgaredd ola, the last one, ni'n mynd I taflu pêl lan, eto, you can use whatever you've got. Falle pillow, par o socks, mae lan I chi. Wedyn, ni'n mynd i wneud sesiwn, okay? So the ball is there for a second. We're going to throw the ball up in the air. Sesiwn, it doesn't matter how you do it. We're just going to open up the chest and ni'n wneud sesiwn, okay? So ni'n tafu lan, sesiwn, dala. Okay, so you might want to go a little bit higher. Sesiwn. Sesiwn. So hand-eye coordination. We're working on our skills because we're going to be catching and throwing. A mae'n eitha tough. Ti'n gael bach o pŵer. A falle ni'n cael competition bach i weld faint ni'n gallu neud. You may want to do 2 or 3 sesiwns. Lan i chi, okay? Fi'n mi ôl dŵr fi. Always have your dŵr to hand. O'n i'n mynd i taflu at y wal, and I don't trust my wall, if I'm going to be completely honest. So, lan i chi. Ar ôl y sesiwn, ewn ni siarad am pethau arall ni'n gallu neud, okay? So, ewn ni mewn i hwn. Os ni'n gallu neud, jyst rhoi balance ar y cefn, so chi'n gallu weld. Okay, pawn barod, ni'n mynd i dechrau gael round y cefn, round the back. I'm going to start right, my right, looks like your left, round the cefn. Go as fast or slow as you want, nice solid chair. Da iawn. Really concentrate, make sure your hand grabs the ball, otherwise you'll drop it. If you do drop it, mae hwn yn absolutely fine, just pigo fel lan. Da iawn. Siglo popeth mas. Can stretch. Tro nesaf fi'n mynd i'r chwith. I'm going to go to the left. So we're evening out both sides, okay? Pedwar eiliad. Okay, off ni. Bach mwy gyflym, a little bit quicker. Make it harder or easier. You can use a bigger ball or a smaller ball. Oh, rhywbeth wedi cwmpo. My time is gone. My time is gone. My shoulders and chest are warming up now. Round the cefn. Good. 3, 2. Da iawn. Sip o dŵr i fi. Cofia, pawb sy'n byw yn Ceredigion, os mae unrhyw cwestiynau, hela nhw mewn i Ceredigion Active, okay? So falle chi angen chwilo clwb newydd i'r plant. Air punches! So os chi angen chwilo am clwb, just ro shout i ni, ni'n gallu helpu. Eto, sgwyddau, work in the shoulders here. Work in the arms. Go as fast or slow as you want. Ni'n mynd lan am 30 eiliad. Ni'n cael rest bach yn y canol, a wedyn we're going to punch the air out. Fel ni'n boxo. Olympic style. Da iawn. Oh. Da iawn. Siglo fe mas. 10 eiliad. Roll the shoulders if you need to. Tro ma, we're going to be going out in front. You can't see because I'm face on. Yeah. Time it. We're going to go out. We're extending. Don't have to lock your arms, okay? Have a little bend at the ends. We don't want to see you lock the elbow flat out. Oh, shoulders are on fire. A little bit quicker there. Come on. As you can tell, I've never boxed before. Da iawn, cadw fynd. 3, 2. Oh. Okay, da iawn. Ni'n mynd i bounce o pêl nesa. You can use a tennis ball, falle. Hanner funud ar y dde. Up to you. You can do bounce, 2-hand catch. Neu bounce, 1-hand catch. I'm going to go for a 1-hand catch. Ooh. Think about where the bounce is. Again, if you drop the ball, absolutely fine. Ni'n ymarfer, we're practicing. Push the ball down. A fi'n cadw e o dan wedyn. Ni'n dal e o dan, under the ball. da iawn. Quick break. Tro nesaf, falle chi moyn defnyddio pil arall. Could be easier, could be harder. You might want to do a double-handed catch. Up to you. Oof. I can really tell that I always use my right hand when I'm throwing. So I've got to think a lot more now. Canolbwyntio. Am be ni'n neud. Oh! Oh! Dropped it. Does it matter? No. Keep going. Da iawn. Cadw corff eitha straight lan. Da iawn. Oh! Sit and reach yr un nesa. Cael drink bach. Ni'n cadw corff lan. We're just having a bend. We're not flopping to the side. Nice and straight. And we're letting that core do the work. So we're going to the left. Oh, I've got a nice piece of the tree I can touch. That's about me. Falle, chi'n really flexible. Maybe you're super flexible. You can touch the floor. I am not. So I'm going to go as far as I can and over the top. Keep breathing. Cadw'n adlu trwy trwyn. Mas trwy ceg. Da iawn. Oh, da iawn. Oh, settling into the chair a little bit before I go back up. Pawb barod. I'm guessing 7 seconds. 2. I was way off. Da iawn. Good stuff. Di Gwener, boys. Fantastic. Gobeithio plans neis da pawb dros y penwythnos. Gobeithio mae'r tywydd yn gwella. I hope the weather improves. It's very dark outside. Got my lights on in the living room. Da iawn. Cadw fynd, hwn yn tough. Oh, right. Diod bach I fi. Last one, 15 seconds to explain again. Ni'n taflu lan, sesiwn. Sesiwn. Scissors, okay? Cross your arms over. If you can do 2 or 3, fantastic. Okay. Again, you can use a smaller ball. You can use a pillow. Lan I chi. Up to you, what you've got in the house. It doesn't matter. As long as you're not throwing Mum and Dad's finest crockery or china set. Not throwing anything expensive in the air. Good. 1. Oh, I'm going to go for 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. Da iawn. So falle, you've been going knuckle side up. Falle, tro ma, you want to open it up so your hands, the palm of your hands are facing up. Just mix it up. My record is 2. 1. Oh, that's slow. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh. 1, 2. I think 2 is my record. If any of you can beat 2, please let us know. You might have super fast hands, like the Flash. 1, 2. Oh, nearly dropped it. 1. Good throw, bad catch. A dyna ni. Okay, tro ma, just cael stretch mas, okay? Hands together, okay? Slow, agor mas. Hold the stretch. And all mewn. Like you're playing a giant accordion. That's all. If you don't know what an accordion is, I suggest you look it up. It's a very cool instrument. Unwaith to. Hold. And all mewn. Okay. Shoulder shrugs. We're going to move our shoulders backwards in a circle. 5, 4, 3. Nice and slow. 2. Nice big circles. 1. A tro ma, we're going to go forwards. Okay, o flaen ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, slow. Arms going to go up as if you're giving a double high five. Old Kevin fi, my back. No lawr. Like we did in volleyball the other day. Block the net. Right at the top. Third one, nice and slow. And tro 'ma lawr i'r ochr. Oh, really get the shoulders working. A da iawn pawb. Gobeithio wnaethoch chi mwynhau. I hope you enjoyed. Something that's a little bit different. Fel nes I gweud gynne, okay, like I said earlier, if you've got any questions, drop us an email or give us a ring, especially if you're looking for any clubs to do with disability sports. There are fantastic clubs all through Cadair, super inclusive, okay? Honestly, ddim yn sure. If you're not quite sure who that is, gofyn I ni, okay? And we can help you out. All right, pawb, enjoy the weekend. Hwyl fawr.